Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Hostinger domain to Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to Odoo.com and log in your account. Once you've logged in, click on your profile icon on the top right corner here. Then click on My Databases. Next, click on the settings icon next to the database. Then click on Domain Names from the drop-down menu. Then this pop-up will appear, where you will click on Use My Own Domain. Then another pop-up will appear. For now, let's leave that pop-up and go to Hostinger.com, where you will log in your Hostinger account. After logging in, on the left panel of your Hostinger dashboard, click on Domains, then click on Domain Portfolio. In the portfolio, look for the domain that you want to connect by clicking on Manage next to it. This action will lead you to the domain overview, and in the left panel, click on DNS/name servers and copy your domain name, which is usually found up here. Then let's go back to our pop-up in Odoo, and in this field, type in www. Then paste the domain name you copied earlier. Next, go back to Hostinger, and in the DNS/name server section, scroll down to Manage DNS Records. In the type field, put in CNAME, and then in the name field, put in www. Next, for the target field, go back to Odoo, then copy this link here which is provided by Odoo. Then go back to Hostinger again, and paste what you have copied here in the target field. Then click on Add Record right here. Lastly, let's go back to Odoo and click on Verify right here. And once it's done verifying, click on I confirm it's done down here. And that is how you can connect your Hostinger domain to Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.